Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll continue the AI Clinic Assistant workflow in n8n. This is part 2 of the workflow. In part 1, we covered appointment booking and patient confirmation. The workflow received a booking request, stored it in Google Sheets, confirmed the appointment through Telegram, created a Google Calendar event, and notified the doctor. In this part 2 video, we'll cover the remaining flows: prescription handling, patient medicine notifications, appointment reminders, and global workflow error alerts. By the end of this part, you'll have an automation that receives prescription details, updates the patient record, emails the prescription, sends medicine instructions on Telegram, checks upcoming appointments every hour, sends reminders, and alerts the team on Slack if the workflow fails. Flow 3. Prescription handling flow. Step 1. Prescription webhook. This flow starts with the prescription webhook. This webhook receives prescription data after the doctor has completed the consultation. The incoming request includes details like booking ID, patient name, patient email, patient chat ID, doctor name, prescription link, and prescribed medicines. So instead of manually sending prescriptions after every appointment, the clinic can trigger this flow automatically from another system or form. Step 2. Extract prescription data. Next, the extract prescription data code node cleans and structures the incoming prescription payload. It maps the booking ID, patient details, doctor name, prescription link, and medicine list into clean fields. This makes the prescription data ready for updating the clinic sheet and sending patient notifications. Step 3. Update sheet, prescription sent. This Google Sheets node updates the appointment record. It finds the patient row using the booking ID, changes the appointment status to prescription sent, and stores the prescription link in the sheet. Now the clinic has a proper record that the prescription was shared with the patient. Step 4. Gmail, send prescription. After updating the sheet, this Gmail node sends a prescription email to the patient. The email includes the doctor name, booking ID, prescribed medicines, and a link to view the full prescription. This gives the patient a proper email copy of their prescription after the visit. Step 5. Telegram, medicine order to patient. After the email is sent, this Telegram node sends the medicine details directly to the patient. The message includes the prescribed medicines, prescription link, and booking ID. This makes the follow-up faster because the patient gets the prescription and medicine instructions instantly on Telegram. Flow 4. Appointment reminder flow. Step 1. Hourly reminder check. The next flow starts with the hourly reminder check. This schedule trigger runs every hour and checks whether any booked appointments are due for a reminder. This helps the clinic send reminders automatically instead of manually checking the appointment sheet. Step 2. Read booked appointments. This Google Sheets node reads the booked appointment records from the clinic appointment sheet. It pulls appointment details like patient name, phone number, email, appointment date, appointment time, reason, booking ID, and status. This gives the reminder flow the appointment data it needs to decide who should receive a reminder. Step 3. Filter due for reminder. This code node filters the appointment list. It checks which appointments are still marked as booked and which ones are due for a reminder based on the appointment date and time. Only matching appointments continue to the next step. Step 4. Telegram, send reminder. This Telegram node sends the appointment reminder. The reminder includes the patient name, phone number, email, appointment date, appointment time, reason, and booking ID. This reminds the clinic or patient that the appointment is coming up and that attendance should be confirmed or rescheduled. Now it's global error alert flow. Step 1. Trigger on workflow error. The final flow starts with the trigger on workflow error node. This node runs when any part of the workflow fails. It catches errors from the appointment, prescription, reminder, or notification flows, so failures do not go unnoticed. Step 2. Post global error alert to Slack. This Slack node sends a global error alert to the team. The message includes the workflow name, failed node, time, and execution ID. This helps the team quickly open the n8n execution log, identify the issue, and manually follow up with the patient if needed. That's part 2 of the AI Clinic Assistant workflow. In this part, we automated prescription delivery, medicine notifications, appointment reminders, and global error alerts. The workflow receives prescription data through a webhook, updates the patient record in Google Sheets, emails the prescription through Gmail, sends medicine instructions through Telegram, checks upcoming appointments every hour, sends appointment reminders, and posts Slack alerts if anything fails. Together with part 1, this creates a complete clinic assistant system that handles booking, confirmation, prescription delivery, reminders, and error monitoring inside n8n. I'm Rahul Joshi. If this was useful, I drop one free workflow like this every week in my school community, JSON file included, setup guide included, completely free. Over 130 people are already using these. Link in the description. Come join us. See you in the next one.